Here we are, Austin Hospital, and we're going to number 5, cardiac diagnostics, or East cardiac. There's shell all ready to go up. Yeah, lewa matu nei le whanmai. Yeah, monasu full total nei the 13th. Lower au mai whafu Fewoks mai le intensive care. And that's Shirley there, and Dom, that's Mum, that's Tupola, and Toa. Fewoks, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Do you want to thank anybody?
Oh yeah, thanks for the prayers, and I'm back on track. Tree lopping tomorrow.
Yeah, right. Can you show some of your information there? Information on your hand? See, recovering is
Your heart,
your heart,
questions and answers,
or heart attacks.
recovering, heart attack.
Your license and the singing man.
It's for my cardio coach. I get a coach too.
So that's it. Thank you for your prayers and your
As menu.
My healthy eating. I mean, can you get any healthier than this?
that's it from the Fit Man.
Just to apply for my benefit again.
There it goes, number 10, and that's it. He's ready. That's well, that's it. Fewoks. He's out of he should be out of hospital by Thursday. Is that right, Phil? You're going to be out by Thursday?
Yeah, Thursday or Friday this year.
Thursday or Friday, and then he'll be able to come to church on Saturday to make a massive money. Okay, that's it from us. Thank you for your prayers again, and say goodbye, Phil, to everyone that's been praying from around the world.
Goodbye, everyone. Bless you all for your prayers and whatever you'll be doing. Calls and
Emails.
emails, internet. I've got them here.
Yeah.
Print out here. Emails. All coming through.
Just give them your account number.
He tells me I'm gonna set up a trust fund.
Yes, for donations.
Yep, to the nearest national bank.
So if you're what,
Okay, it's 1:15 on the 13th. It's Tuesday today, and from Melbourne, Victoria, Austin Hospital. Donate Fewoks.com.
I got my free pedometer as well.
What is it?
Free pedometer to measure how many steps I take each day.
Okay, that's
Loud.
okay then. Thanks everyone again. Bye bye. Hey.
I'm sorry? No.
What'd you think? It's good news for your dad, Dom? Say something. It's good news for your dad?
Yeah. Alright.
Good on you.